the smartest controller in the market, the MT Focus 6000 is intelligent with incredibly innovative tightening strategies, like the torque seating monitoring, which combines the traditional torque strategy with the innovative seating control strategy, securing both the final torque and clamp torque at the same time, eliminating floating screws and assuring a precise final torque. High torque accuracy, secures clamping torque and eliminates tightening errors. MT Focus 6000. Smart, connected and efficient. Sustainable productivity from Atlas Copco.